everyone, welcome to Baking with Ghosts. I'm Kat and I'm here to teach my ghost friends how to bake and decorate delicious desserts. So today we're going to be joined by my friend Popcorn Phil, and we're going to be making a very easy to make movie night cake. It's very simple. I'll walk you through the steps, so let's bring out Popcorn Phil. Hi Popcorn Phil, I'm so glad you could join us today to make this movie night cake. I know how much you love movies, so that's what inspired me to make this cake today. So let me tell you when I met Popcorn Phil. So it was later on in my life. It was about the time when the movie The Ring came out, and I had just gone to see The Ring, came home, and I was scared because that movie really scared me. So I'm laying in bed at night, and all of a sudden my TV just turns on, and it's that staticky screen. So immediately I think of the movie The Ring, and I'm afraid that that girl is gonna come out of my TV. So I'm like, okay, that's weird. So I just turn off the TV, go back to sleep, but like 5 minutes later, it turns on again, and again, it's that static screen. So I'm really starting to get scared, but then I see Popcorn Phil come out. He's got his popcorn bucket of popcorn, and he was just looking to watch a scary movie. He loves scary movies, so he just wanted to watch a movie. So I was like, all right, whatever. And I just rolled back and went to sleep.
Kat, did that TV have a remote?
Well, yeah.
Kat, you already said that your sister loved to play pranks on you. Are you sure she wasn't just taking the remote out and messing with you in the middle of the night?
Well, no, because I saw Popcorn Phil. He was there.
Kat, come on. It had to have been your sister, Kat. This is ridiculous, Kat. Come on. It was for sure your sister.
No, because even when I did wake up the next day and Popcorn Phil wasn't around anymore, I saw little popcorn kernels on the ground. So it was Popcorn Phil.
Whatever, Kat.
Let's get started. Thank you so much, Phil, for helping me make the cake. Now we're gonna let it bake for about 30 minutes at 375 degrees. All right, Phil, the cakes are done baking and they've cooled, so now I'm gonna go ahead and make the frosting and assemble the cakes for the crumb coat. Let's go. All right, Phil, now comes the fun part where we get to decorate. So let's start. All right, Popcorn Phil, you just enjoy your popcorn while I frost this cake. All right, Popcorn Phil, how about you smooth all this out for me? Okay, Phil, now we're gonna add these decorations. So all of these decorations I just got off of Amazon, already made, and they're just on sticks, and we could just stick them in the cake. But first, I wanna put stars on here, and I'm just gonna use a star cookie cutter and then place it on the cake. And then we're gonna use gold sugar sprinkles and fill it in to make the star. So I'll show you, and then you can do it. All right, Phil, let's have you try. Don't do as many sprinkles as I did. That's what caused the issue. Good job. Let's do one more. Those look good. See? We learn. Now, I have these little gold sugar stars that we can kind of place wherever we want. So, I'm gonna use the tweezers. Go ahead, add more. Do this side. Okay, now we just get to stick these in. So I'm gonna start by putting movie night right up here as the focus. Yep, I got the popcorn for you. So go ahead and place them where you would like. Probably front and center. I put it in that cake. Yeah. Sure. Go ahead, let's add some more. Sorry. Nice. All right, I think this is a beautiful cake, and the added sticks really help it. Great job, Phil. That was so much fun making this cake with you. Now I'm gonna cut into it, and I've got one more surprise for you. All right, now it's a real movie night cake with all the proper movie night snacks. Thank you so much for watching, and please like and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.